My name is Ankit Kumar, and I am 24 years old. Right now, I'm working at VHQ as a site reliability engineer. And before Vive, I was associated with Samsung. I've done my engineering back in 2020 from a engineering college like a National Institute of Technology, Hamidpur in India. So it's been like a more than 3 years now in the industry I'm working. So mostly like in my experience, I have worked on uh, backend DevOps. I was working with Samsung, and even there was a uh, in the lockdown, I wasn't working anywhere, so I was just practicing. And at that time, I just graduated from a college, so I was looking for a job, and I had a job at Samsung, but then in COVID time they delayed the offer because of the not so remote policy at big MNCs like Samsung. So I was just solving questions and trying to get another offer, but then I later joined Samsung. When do I meet Mishia? I guess on LinkedIn, like a post on LinkedIn. So there we used to interact on the questions and then follow up the his startup. When I worked with him was to his startup. I look at me having different problems. So like there was different easy, medium, hard questions. So I was trying to write those solutions in different languages, and also uh, having. I remember we were creating a LinkedIn bot to reply people's comment like the post something related to this in Python. We like a yeah, we were creating a bot using Python Selenium, and so the bot usually scan, open the LinkedIn, and then comment to the people, and then give a reply, something like this. 2020, yeah, 2020 December, October to December, somewhere in between. I respect him a lot because he's very experienced and having so many career difference, guiding me over small things. I think as a developer, it's all about giving interviews and how do you expect be confident and then approach approach the problems and writing the solution over there. So it definitely helped me like how to start and how to solve the problem, and then mostly in the giving interviews more than 2 years or 3 years. Yeah, it's been 3 years. We started with discussing questions, and then um, I was having some doubts, and then he was constantly answering. So that's where we connected. Back in time, I was preparing with coding interviews. So yeah, data structures, algorithm, questions. Mostly, we had discussions over a lot of questions, and then different logic with different programming language. Mostly was like breaking the problems into sub problems, and then helping people or other developers in the comments as well, solving those big question to be divided into small chunks. There's more way to solve the questions at that time, and there's more than different logic. So the best thing about that is which I really like about reading the solutions, and then you can solve a lot of questions in like a clean code. Yeah, writing how to write a clean code and how to write that same problem solution in a very good manner, and also to solve one question in different languages. I haven't interviewed much. Later I got the job, so it's like then I involved in more in the development work. But yeah, that definitely helps in the career, no doubt. I have given two, three, or four interviews, but then after coming to this job, I didn't interview. Like I tried to give interview sometime, but then I'm fine. I like my work as as a SRE, so there's a lot of thing to learn, new tech stack, new language, new things, so or new open source. So the process was back in I guess 2021. Recruiter reached out to me on LinkedIn, and then uh, we had two rounds. First two coding round. The question was easy to medium lead code questions, and I was able to solve that within time. Then there was also system design question. So I was not much familiar at the time, like a good how to solve system design questions. But yeah, I had some few resources and then learn about it, and then uh, I was able to grab the offer. So that's just one company. Like they reached out to me, and I was working Samsung at that time, so I just switched to this role. I'm working full time at Weave as a site reliability engineer. So it's a Weave is a Utah-based health company which has products for dentists, veterinary, like small businesses in Utah and Salt Lake City. So yeah, I work remotely from India. I like the like a company, like the culture and work. So I don't know, it's going good. I don't live with my parents, so I live in Bangalore, India. I live alone. My parents live in remote place, and there is not much resources there. So I moved to the city. Here in the city right now, I could attend sometimes talks and also having like few friends there. So Bangalore is kind of a Seattle of India. So there's a lot of other companies and resources, talks, meetups, and stuff. So sometimes if I get time, I do go attend some conferences or meetups. My parents live in a remote place, so it's not feasible to like live with them. So yeah, probably in future I'll go move to again once. Like right now, at 24, I want to explore more like city travel or something. Yeah, because last 2 years, like I started traveling like India. So I got more in traveling, and then I was exploring different cities and state in India. So that is spent in last 1 year, more than 1 year. Mostly, I have explored like North India and South India as well. So I have been to like more than 15 states. Yeah, different treks, mountains, beaches. So that actually helped me to like as it remote, so I could go anywhere and then work. My major income source was this job. And now I'm pretty tired from traveling, and I want to do something else. Like probably will start studying again or something.